650 screen replacement courtesy of Seabass. Soundtrack by Umbrella Boy. Live from the Welsh business. Whatever. Okay, let's do it. First you gotta turn off the phone. Oh, that's hot. Phone's off. Now I turn this shit off. Take out the SD card. We're gonna take out SIM chip. Bing. Remove the battery. And taking a Torx T5 driver, remove the screws from the back. Alright, now this one up here by the antenna, it holds the antenna in. Right here, there's a little sticker. Just take it out, put it up to the side, whatever the fuck. You know, if you're opening it, fuck the warranty. Now the screw on the antenna is bigger than the other ones, so just remember that when you shake them all out. Once the screw by the antenna is removed, you can just pull the antenna off, set it off to the side, take your screws off to the side. Now, I usually like to use a jeweler's screwdriver, the smallest 1.4 millimeter flathead to pry the sides open. We switched to Q project with the Jungle Cream jukebox. Good business. Anyway, I'm going to pry open the corner here on the right hand side and look along the sides of the clips. You'll see a little gap in the side here. So. Here, and there's another one up here. Once you do that, you should be able to pry the back off. Set it over to the side. And right here, you have to lift up the flap and then pull out the cable. Like so. Okay. And then you can just lift up this board, winding the switch on the top for the volume. Now when you're lifting up this piece, you need to be extra careful because there's still one cable connecting it on the back side. And it seems to be stuck. rubber washer. May come off. It just goes around the camera lens. Set it off to the side. Check.
Welcome to another edition of the Shakedown. Really loud.
Let me have better.
Yeah.
Okay. Lift it up, pull the cable out. Set this board off to the side. You don't need it for right now. And now you can just push out the screen.
We are back with another edition of the Shakedown. Shook's gonna turn this up. Getting up to the bedroom for Josh Hill. Chef and Venom.
Take your replacement screen.
4D. Big up to Mel's umbilical cord, Katie. Do it for Shook. That's right. It's a little roller. Check it out.
Just gonna go back in here. Now, you're gonna want to be careful when you do this because it's gonna be difficult if you already mount the screen into the case. It's gonna be hard to connect the wire to the main board. So do that before you put it in the case. Over. There we go. Now make sure when you're putting it back in here, line up the switch for the volume on top. Place this cord, this cable here. And you can see, back together somewhat. Make sure at this point that your volume switch is connected properly. You didn't overlap it wrong. Little tiny piece in here. Right here, right here. Just make sure you'll see it. My camera sucks, so whatever. Now we're going to take it back. getting it to clip is not the fucking easiest thing in the world. But just work with it a little bit. And there we go. Take your... Oh man. Yeah, this is where we fucked up. And remember when I told you all about the fucking washer that goes around the camera? You have to put that back on before you close the fucking case up. Usually helps. There we go. Good. There we go. And now the clips are all closed. Now just put the screws, put the antenna back in. Make sure you orient the hole properly so the screw goes through. Remember, the longest screw goes through the antenna hole. Alright, now replace your SIM card, if you have one. You should if you have a Treo. Very safe. I mean, what are you doing with Treo if you don't have a SIM card? It's SD card. Fucking crazy, man. Alright, put your fucking SIM card back in. You can fucking use the phone. Put your battery back in. Put your cover on. And there you go. New screen. No cracks. Nice and new. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. And now, once you've connected it all up and all that shit, alright, try and get this up here as close as I can. Same time, whatever the hell. And then, you're going to want to go to preps, touchscreen, calibrate your screen. Voila. Screen replaced, touchscreen active. Big ups to San Diego Shakedown and a bill of cord, Seabass Trio out.